Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. I greet all of you according to una time. Yes, my correct people, wetin happen for Imo State yesterday no be small. You just see as Imo State be. All the sabo wey be say collide make dem take bring Ikoso down. Una don dey face the tension now, abi? Una eye don clear. So na wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the great warrior Ikoso be dey fight against be this one. They no need Fulani because all this shooting must stop. Now see wetin dey happen for Imo State now. For just never even reach 2 days, barely 2 days wey be say una take delete that man comot for road. Can you imagine? See Owerri, see Imo State, see am. My people, no be small thing. Make I drop the video sharply, make una watch am. Meanwhile, if today na the first time we be say you dey come across my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you very much for stopping by, and to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una as una take dey support this platform dey come. And if you never subscribe, abeg kindly hit on the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that you will be the first person to notified anytime we be say I take drop a new video. Thank you very much for doing that. So my wonderful people, make we just go to the comment section, drop your opinion there. We need to trash this one out. Like the video, also share so that people will be say never see am go still see am. Let's watch, guys. Bye bye.
So we dey live now for Amawusa, Owerri, the Imo State capital. Here na the busiest place for Imo State where businesses they go on. So yesterday night, you get some unknown gunmen wey become the area, come dey shoot for air, and with military presence that yesterday night, but no casualty at all. So now this place wey dey na Amawusa, Owerri, where the Hausa people they stay, they do their businesses. So with the incident that have been and the insecurity issue where they happen for Imo State, so yesterday we can't get report around 9 p.m. say gunshot be they happen for this area. So make I talk with one person. Bros, good morning.
Good morning.
With wetin dey happen for Imo State now, what you want make government do?
The government put man for the matter, or make them put matter for the matter, because this thing don't dey go too much. A human being they die. No be fowl, no be chicken. A human being na them they die.
So as Abia State people put coffee, you think say Imo State needs coffee?
Yes, Imo State need coffee too. At least to calm everything down.
You dey do business for this side, what you dey do?
The manager ourselves here, they sell engine oil, they sell everything.
As you no open your shop today now, you dey happy?
I know they're happy now. Who will give me food?
So the road now they block actually with military presence.
Yes, them block the road so that we keep everywhere calm. The military they block all the road, so nothing they do.
Since when were these military people there here?
Since 2 weeks now. Let me see.
So yeah, now Amawusa, Owerri, the Imo State capital, and you go see say commuters they carry their leg now they go where they go. No motor at all they pass this area, and with what is happening now, the guy now we talk with us now does say military people don't there since 2 weeks. So military people be there when that incident be happened yesterday, and right now nobody now don't open their shop. Every shop for this side now they lock. Bros, good morning. You dey do business for this side. So wetin dey happen for Imo State? Wetin you want make our government do?
The government need to do something that will make people happy. So they need to fight for this thing and do it once so that we will be free anywhere we are going, all of us are scared of what will happen in any time. So that's what I have to say.
So where did they go this morning now?
They go this.
So why you no fit get motor now where they go beans?
Because of this problem, that's why I didn't see motor.
So there is a roadblock for this area for Amawosa. So motor no dey too dey pass here because military people don't block the road. So with wetin dey happen for Imo State, wetin you want make our government do?
They try to do better thing now. Stop all these things. So that there be peace.
As the thing they go now, you know they affect your business.
They affect now. They affect.
So commuters now, they no go fit enter bus. They go where they go. This is Amawosa, Douglas Road, Owerri, with security present for this area. The road blocked because of what happened yesterday night. Ma, good morning. Good morning, ma. Where you dey go this morning? And why you can't dey trek?
I dey go somewhere.
Where you dey go?
Me? Somewhere.
So with wetin dey happen for Imo State, now wetin you want make our government do?
We need peace now. Nothing but peace. But we are one. We need peace. So you people should try. People should try to put Imo State in order. Imo State is not in order. We should try. With God, that is possible. Bye.
So with them Amawosa, Wedra Road. Bros, good morning. Fine. You go fit see this school girl now. She dey waka now, dey go her school. So my interview where I don talk with some people wey no wan bring talk for live video, they beg the governor, make the governor try put some measures to reduce wetin dey happen for Imo State. Say make peace reign for Imo State. Say the way where the thing dey happen, say they live in fear. So they beg government, make government try put some measures to make sure say this thing where they happen for the state try reduce hand. And see some school children now, they go their school. Everybody now, because of no vehicle. So everybody now, they trek, now they go where they won't go. Some shop here for here now never open. Business for here this morning now never open. So some business for this side now still they lock. The only bank now for this side we don't open this morning. And some customer they inside bank. At Amawosa, Douglas Road. So I have somebody here for we to talk to. Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
I beg, if you tell us what happened yesterday.
It is just an attack by unknown government. So, but the Almighty Allah has protected us and guided us. We have to first thank His Excellency for his effort of giving us a very tight security here. And the security given to us have tried their possible best and pushed these people back. And there is nothing that happens, no casualty, no death, no nothing. Alhamdulillah.
So if we see today now, your people, they not open their business today. Wetin happen?
We have to be very cautious. They will open their business, but later. But you know, when such thing happens, you have to be afraid. You have to be panicking because of the situation. But there is nothing. We know there is nothing, and inshallah there won't be anything.
So since when were these military people done there here?
They have been here for about 1 week or so.
So with wetin happened yesterday and wetin dey happen for Imo State, wetin you fit advise our government make e do?
Our governor is trying his best. People that want to make this state to be vulnerable, the Almighty Allah will never allow them to do it. And inshallah, His Excellency Distinguished Senator Hòórírìblèy will overcome them. And Allah will expose them, all of them will catch them, they will be arrested and they will put to book.
So wetin you fit advise your people now as they come outside this morning?
And they have to come out, because if we do not come out, even the Igbos that are running around, they will not come out. They will feel like there's another thing there. So everybody should come out. Since we survive, let's tell people that we survive. There is nothing that happens to us, so that our friends, brothers, well-wishers will see, say, we are free. There is nothing that happens to us.
Thank you.
My name is Hòórírìblèy. I'm the SSA to the Governor of Northern Affairs, also the shield of the outside community.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.